Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing MoriPods. So these are kind of a new product by this company called HAYLOU. I did win these in a giveaway. I was randomly looking at Prime Day videos and found a channel which he was giving away these MoriPods, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I won that. I believe these resell for $40. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Let's get straight into it. I will just open it here. So on the left side, just have, I believe, just the website, QR, and then on the right side, you have specs. So these are Qualcomm 3040 chip, dual microphones, smart touch, Type-C, and IPX4 water and dust proof. So on the back, you just have more information. So you have 500 milliamp, 100 milliamp. This is really hard to read. Whatever, I'll try to leave the specs down. All right, so here it is. It says, "Hey, listen up." You just lift it open like this. And here are the earbuds. So this is what they look like. You have branding right there, HAYLOU. These are the white ones, and they're really, really white. Bright too. On the bottom, you just have Type-C as well as some specs. So yeah, that's what they look like. Obviously, they look more like AirPods than first gen. Pretty bulky too. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Pretty nice case though. It's pretty small too. For size comparison, I'll just use the AirPod Pros. So in terms of height, they're smaller, and in terms of width, they're also kind of smaller. This part is kind of thicker. I'm not too sure. It's a little close to AirPod Pros, so a little logo right there. Alright, right here you have a Type-C cable, so USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And then on the bottom you have a user manual. No silicone tips because these are basically just polycarbonate based. That'll sit in your ear. You may have to take off this blue piece here. That way you can actually have the contact pins exposed, and then you put them back in the case. Alright, we gotta drop them back into the case. Alright, drop them back in, close it, and now they show up. So now these do feel very, very light, like super light. Okay, now they're connected. They should have touch sensitive buttons, but I'm not too sure where they are. Just go ahead and put them in my ear real quick. Just gonna listen to a song real quick. Okay, so the highs are lacking for sure. Left and right stereo test, I'm testing that right now. Latency test is behind actually. Wow. The bass, there's not that much bass. The lows are decent. Mids are really good. The highs are really bad. So these are just overall decent pair of earbuds. The mids are the only shining part of the earbuds. You can't really hear much when you have them in your ear because of how loud they can get. So I don't know if I was talking pretty loud, but yeah, that's pretty much these types of earbuds. Retail for about 40 bucks. I don't think they're worth it, but I mean, I won it from a giveaway, which I'm very thankful for. But personally, I'm an audiophile, so I like trying new things. I'll probably give these away or do something like that. Do a little mini giveaway or something like that, you know, just because. But yeah, that's pretty much that review of this one, just really quick. I probably won't do a whole lot of editing on this because I'm not too sure. Maybe that's those earbuds right there for you. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.